In this video, we try to understand a sorting technique called merge sort. Merge sort, it is an internal sorting technique. It follows a principle called divide and conquer. Means dividing the problem into subproblems. Even subproblems can be further divided into smaller subproblems until each subproblem can be solved easily. That is called divide step. Conquer means combining the solutions of the subproblems to get overall solutions of the problem is called conquer step. So the merge sort technique follows a principle called divide and conquer. Now we see a procedural algorithm for merge sort technique. This technique applicable only when the array has more than one value. When the array has only one value, we don't apply the merge sort technique, because if only one value is there in the array means already that value in sorted order. So no sorting technique is required. If array has more than one value, then only we can apply the merge sort technique. Then second step, divide the array into two parts logically based on mid position. So you have to calculate mid position as L plus H divided by 2, where L value is lower index value of the array, that is 0, and higher index value of the array is n minus 1 when the array has n number of values in it. If you look at the figure, so 0, the starting index value of the array, that is called lower index value of the array. Then n minus 1, when the array has n number of values, the last index value of the array is n minus 1. So 0 is treated as L and n minus 1 is treated as H, higher index value. L means lower index value. Now we divide this array into two parts based on the mid position. Assume that the mid is here, mid position or mid index. Then we divide this array into two parts. The first part index is, if you look at index from 0 to mid, index value from 0 to mid is treated as first part of the array logically. That is 0 is nothing but lower index value, so we can write L to mid also. And second part of the array is from index mid plus 1 to n minus 1. So in other way we can say that mid plus 1 to H. So that is, we can split or divide the array into two parts. First part indexes are from 0 to mid. Second part index is from mid plus 1 to H or n minus 1. The third step, solve the two parts or subarrays recursively by applying the merge sort technique. That means again we apply the same merge sort technique on the first part and second part. First, combine or merge the two parts to get final sorted array. Finally, we merge or combine the two parts of the array to get final sorted array. So to understand the merge sort mechanism, we see the example. Sort the following values in ascending order using merge sort. Values are 4, 1, 3, 2. So I arrange these four values in the array. Array name is here A. So A of 0 value is 4, A of 1 value is 1, A of 2 value is 3, A of 3 value is 2. Now the lower index value, starting index value of the array is 0. That 0 is called lower index value, identified by the letter L, and higher index value is last index value of the array, that is 3. So that higher index value is denoted by the letter H. Now we calculate the mid index or middle position of the array by using the formula L plus H divided by 2. So substitute the respective lower index and higher index value of the array. Here L value is 0 and H value is 3. That's why 0 plus 3 divided by 2. So 3 divided by 2 means not 1.5. We have to take floor value of the division operation, that is 1. So mid index is now 1 here. If you identify the array values are 4, 1, 3, 2. L value is 0 and H value is 3, higher index value is 3, and we calculated mid index, that calculated mid index value is 1. Now according to the merge sort procedure, we have to divide this array into two parts. First part is from L to mid, second part is from mid plus 1 to H. So what is the first part range from L to mid? So L value is here, mid value is 1. So from index 0 to 1 is first part. If you look at the first part from L to mid, that is first part, and second part is from mid plus 1 to H. So what is the mid index value or mid position value? 1, 1 plus 1, 2. That means from 2 to index 2 to 3 is second part. So that means A of 0, A of 1 is first part values, A of 2 and A of 3 are second part values. For this first part, what are the first part? A of 0 and A of 1 is first part, A of 2 and A of 3 is second part values. We divide the array into two parts logically based on the mid. From L to mid is first part, from mid plus 1 to H is second part. Now if you look at the first part, so there are two values are here, A of 0, A of 1. A of 0 value is 4, A of 1 is 1. Now for this subpart you have to identify the lower index value and higher index value of the array. What is the lower index value of this part? 0. What is the higher index value of this part? 1. Again you have to calculate mid index of this first part. So what is the mid index of the first part? L plus H divided by 2. So here L value is 0, H value is 1, 0 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 1 divided by 2. 1 by 2 is 0.5 in normal division operation, but here you have to take the floor division value of the division operation, floor value of the division operation. So that is 0. So mid index value is 0 for the first part. Now, so again this first part is divided into two subparts. Again this first part is divided into two parts based on the mid index. So what the logical partition from L to mid is first part. So again this first part is divided into two parts, first part and second part. First part is from L to mid. Here the L value is 0, mid is also 0. 0 to 0 means, so A of 0, A of 1 is split into again A of 0, that is first part. This is first part, A of 0. Then second part is from mid plus 1. What is the mid index we calculated? We calculated mid index as 0. So 0 plus 1, 1, 1 to 1 and mid plus 1 to H is the second part. Here everywhere you have to split the array into two parts. First part is from L to mid, second part is from mid plus 1 to H. Now this first part with two values split into two parts. Now each part contains only one value. This part contains A of 0 contains one value, that is 4. A of 1 contains one value, that is 1. Now similarly, look at the right hand side part here. Look at here. Second part, that is A of 2 and A of 3. Identify the lower index value of the second part. That is here 2 is the lower index value and higher index value of the second part is 3. Now for this second part we have to calculate mid index value. Mid index equal to L plus H divided by 2. L value is here 2. L value is here 2 and H value is here 3. So 2 plus 3 divided by 2, that is 5 divided by 2. So we have to take floor value of the division operation, not 2.5. 5 divided by 2 means 2 only. Why? Because floor value of the division operation. Now based on the mid position or mid index, that is 2, you have to split this two elements array into two parts. So first part is from L to mid. What is the lower index value? 2. So 2 to 2 is first part. That means only one value is there, that is a of 2. So this a of 2, a of 3 array, two elements array is split into individual elements of the array. Here a of 2. Now second part is we have to calculate the index from mid plus 1 to h. So what the mid index we calculated? 2. 2 plus 1, that is 3. 3 to 3. The second part. That means a of 2, a of 3, two elements array split into two parts, a of 2 and a of 3. So see here, now if you look at the first part, a of 0, a of 1, two elements array split into two individual arrays which contains only one element array. A of 0 is one array, a of 1 is another array. Again, if you observe second part, the second part divided into two parts. A of 2 is one part, a of 3 is second part. So how do you divide it? Means logically based on the mid position or mid index. How do you calculate mid index? L plus h divided by t. So for every part you have to identify the lower index value and higher index value respectively. Then you have to calculate mid index. Based on the mid index you have to split or divide the array into two parts. First part index is from L to mid. Second part index is from mid plus 1 to h. So here now if you look at all these four parts, okay, these are single element arrays. So when array contains only one element, we have to stop our process. Why? Because we should not apply merge sort technique when the array has only one value. This step is called divide step. Now we combine these single element arrays into single sorted arrays. See here, now I combine 4 and 1. Okay, I combine these two parts, single element array. So a of 0 and a of 1 arrays I would like to combine or merge. So when I am combining that one, okay, the value of first part, that is 4, will be compared with value of second part, that is a of 1. Which one is smaller? 1 is smaller. So first you have to copy 1 into the middle part, that is this is the middle part. Then so 1 is already copied. Which value is left? 4 is left. Just simply copy 4. That means now the middle part contains two values, that is 1 and 4 in sorted order. Similarly, now combine or merge a of 2 part and a of 3 part. So a of 2 is single element array, a of 3 is single element array. Now when you combine or merge, the value of first part should be compared with value of second part. Whichever is smaller. Which one is smaller? 2 is smaller. So 2 should be copied to the merged part. Here 2 is copied to the merged part, that is 2 comes first. Then so 2 is already over. So which part value is left? First part value is left, that is 3. Now we copy 3 to the merged part, that is down the merged part values are 2 and 3. Now we combine this part, okay, first part, that is a of 0, a of 1 is first part, latest first part. Then second part is a of 2, a of 3. Now we combine these two parts. When you combine these two parts, see the result. Now what are the first part values? 1 and 4. What are the second part values? 2 and 3. Now all the values of first part should be compared with all the values of second part one by one, and whichever is smaller, that should be copied into the merged part or combined parts here. So 1, 4. Okay, look at the first value of the first part. So what is the value of the first part? 1. Will be compared with first value of the second part. What is the first value of the second part? 2. So between 1 and 2, which one is smaller? 1 is smaller. So copy 1 first. So 1 I copied. So 1 is over. Now second value of first part. What is second value of first part? 4 will be compared with first value of the second part. So between 4 and 2, which one is smaller? 2 is smaller. Copy 2 to middle part. So 2 is copied. Now the middle part contains 2 values, 1 and 2. Now, so first part contains one value, that is 4. Second part contains one value, that is 3. Now first part second value, that is 4, compared with second part second value, that is 3. Between 4 and 3, which one is smaller? 3 is smaller. So copy 3 to the middle part. So I copied 3 to the middle part. Now 1, 2, 3 are copied. So the first part contains only 4, that is second value of the first part is 4 is remaining. Now all the values in the second part, a of 2, a of 3, the second part are copied already. So simply you copy the first part second value, that is 4, into the middle part. Now 4 is copied. So now after combining that one, now the array contains 4 values, 1, 2, 3, 4, which are already in sorted ascending order. So this combining step is called concord step. Concord step. Now we see a C function for merge sort, where merge int A is an array, L is lower index value of the array, H is higher index value of the array. Now we have to calculate mid index when the array has more than one value. If lower index value is less than higher index value, when array has more than one value, always the lower index value is less than higher index value. Okay, for example, array has 3 values. What is the starting index value of the array? 0. What is the ending index value of the array? 2. So what is the relationship between lower index and higher index? Lower index is less than higher index when array has more than one value. Now we calculate mid index or mid position equal to L plus H divided by 2. Then we have to apply the merge sort procedure or technique on the first part. So what the first part range? A is the array. We have to divide the array into 2 parts, and we have to apply the merge sort technique on first part and second part. First part is from L to mid. So we have to apply the merge sort technique on first part. Similarly, you have to apply the merge sort technique on second part. So second part index from mid plus 1 to H. A is the array which we would like to split the array into logically. Then after that we have to combine both first part and second part. See here, A, L mid means first part, mid plus 1 H means second part. I am combining first part and second parts. That is merge sort logic.